Now that you're done playing, here's the best way to store and care for your Elastiball game system. Start on one side, twisting the couplings, bringing the poles down to their collapsed lengths. Disconnect the lobster clamps from the bearing assemblies located at the top of each pole. Lay this pole on the ground. Repeat the same step for the other side. Once again, twisting the couplings, collapsing the pole, detaching the lobster clamps from the bearing assembly located at the top of the pole. Now walking this pole to the other one, ensuring nothing gets tangled. Put your two poles together and simply wrap the elastics and the top tension rope around the plastic part at the top of the poles. This will ensure the game never tangles for the next time you want to set it up and play. Do similar for the spikes. Taking each spike out and just wrapping the guy rope around the top of the spike. Once you've got everything wrapped up, it'll all store nicely in your Elastiball carry bag. You're now ready for hassle-free play the next time you want to set it up.